Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything I did in Kidzania. First, we got our watches and our cards. Then we had to activate them from the bank. We scanned our watches and then they gave us a bag and a map so we can give the bag to another place. Found the place that we had to put the bag in. It was a shop called Yougart, and then we gave them the bag and returned to the bank so we can scan our cards. Then we went to Rove Hotel. There we had to do housekeeping, so they gave us a room which was very messy. Then we added the bedding and added all the decorations. Then we went to the antimicrobial lab. There we learned how to wash our hands properly and we learned about many bacteria. We went to DHL. There we had to pick up an item from another store. We got the item, then we returned to DHL to put the item back. Then we went to the yogurt factory. There we had to press many buttons and see how yogurts are made. When we were done making our yogurt, they gave us a spoon so we can eat our yogurt. Then we went to the supermarket. Everyone had a different job. I was restocking some items, and my sister Lena was shopping from things in her shopping list. Then we went to the Kinder chocolate factory, which was so much fun, and at the end we made our own Kinder chocolates. We knew what were the ingredients added to Kinder chocolate and how it's made. It was like a little simulator or a game. Then we got our chocolates. Then we made our own pizzas in Pizza Express. It was basically our lunch. The dough was already in a pan. We added the sauce, then we had to put the sauce everywhere on the pan. They gave us some pepperoni. We added all of them onto our pan. Then we added some chicken. Then we added all the cheese. And there were many other places we didn't go in Kidzania. We might go there again. But then we went out of Kidzania and we got some ice cream from the mall. I got some blue velvet ice cream. It was so yummy and so delicious. And then we took some pictures and headed back home. And that's all we did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!